If you're having problems getting out of bed, we have the solution for you. It's the patent-pending Get Out of Bed system, a great way for you to remain independent. Hip or knee surgery, amputees, veterans, and seniors can benefit from the Get Out of Bed system. The Get Out of Bed system is there for you at all times, day or night. As you use the device, you'll build strength and regain your independence. Now you can get up at your own pace, quickly and safely. Our engineers have made a product to help the sick and shut-in regain mobility. Our double bar system safely allows you to exit your bed, allowing you to enter a wheelchair or use a porta potty on your own. As you use it, you will strengthen yourself. This is the newest product made in America to help you get out of bed. Order your Get Out of Bed system now. Get going again.